Haha. 2019. Here we go. Let's talk about the plans for the future. Before we go ahead and start, I just want to give a huge shout out to the guy who made the intro that you just saw. His name, I'll leave his Instagram here. His name is Lasmel. Man, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Thank you so much, dude. So if you guys need anything, I think he does that for a living, and he's awesome. Check it out. I'm gonna leave his Instagram here, and thank you, man. Thank you again. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna use that intro as much as I can. Let's go back to the video. Whoa! What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Matt here, as always. Thanks so much for watching. Before we start today's vlog, if you didn't watch my last video, make sure to watch it. We put a new grill on it. Let me see if I can show you. I know, it's really tight. There we go. I hope you guys can see. The reason why I'm not opening the garage, it's because it's late today and it's cold. We're gonna stay here today because we're gonna talk about the future for the truck and the plan, all right? But before we start, I encourage you to sit down and write your goals for your personal life, for your financials, for your vacations, everything. I'm doing this, and I'm telling you, that totally changes your mindset. If you're not doing that, I'm really encouraging you to go ahead and write it down. If you're married, get it with your spouse, both of you guys together, sharing ideas and everything else. But without further ado, let's talk about what is the plan for the YouTube channel. Just a little overview of what happened in 2019. If you're new to the channel, I like a lot of cars, but I'm just doing stuff with my Colorado because that's what I have, and I love this truck so far. We did a lot of stuff in 2018. We put the stripes, we put a new grill, the bed liner, we changed the tail lights, but I had to put it back, the stock one. Put the light bar, a lot of stuff, small stuff, but we did a lot with this truck. But in 2019, I'm planning on do way more to the truck because I'm planning on spending more time on YouTube, and just because I want to help more people. Let's get to the list. Yeah, man, I'm prepared. I'm really prepared. So I got a list for you guys. All right, here's the list, and we're gonna talk about it. It's just a way so I can, I can keep track, and I wanna look, when we get in December 2019, I wanna look back and see where we are with my list, right? Just one thing, keep in mind, the things I'm doing all depends on money and resources, and anyway. So as I said, I put a plan together. I hope I can get it. Here's my list. Here is my list for my truck. As you guys can see, a couple of things I put in here. I'm really excited because since I got the truck, the first thing I want to do was the lift kit and the wheels. But as you guys probably know, it's not cheap, it's not easy at all. So the first thing we're gonna do in 2018, it's the lift kit, all right? The lift kit is the number one. A lot of people sending messages, I'm not sure which one I'll buy yet. I'm down to 2 brands, but I don't know. I still don't know, like, depends, because I'm trying to decide the next stop, which is wheels and tires, and those kind of go along. I'm not gonna leave the truck without the wheels and tires. If I wanna go with 6-inch lift, you guys know which brand you have to go to, but I'm considering a lot of stuff. So if you have a lift in your truck, let me know in the comment below how is the ride and what do you guys think so far. Another thing, if you guys live in Jersey, let me know if you know any shop would work in the truck, put in a lift kit, and also let me record it. That's very important. I want a lift kit, wheels and tires. One thing I want to do as well is the exhaust and maybe a tune. I wasn't planning to do a lot of modifications to the engine to this truck, but I'm kind of getting excited for it, looking at some options. Of course, after the lift kit and the wheels and tires, I'm gonna look more into it. And I think the exhaust would be nice because you know I can do by myself, so it's gonna be like something to learn. I really like Corsa. There are other brands there. They are really worth to look at it. The fourth thing, it's one thing that's probably the reason why I got the truck. I want to go off-roading. So as you guys know, it's cold, it's winter, but next spring I'm taking my truck and we're gonna off-roading. All right, so if you are from Jersey, follow me on Instagram. Maybe we can get like 3 or 4 of us together to go off-roading. That would be awesome. Maybe if you live in New York, I think you can make it as well. So let me know in the description below. Add me on Instagram. I will keep you guys posted there. I think end of March we can do it. And going down here, a wrap. I really wanna wrap the truck. Of course, I know it's not cheap, but I really wanna do that, and that's one of my goals. Well, I'll do whatever I can to get this truck wrap. So if you work for any company that you know you are maybe in Jersey or in New York, and maybe you want to do something with me, glad to hear you guys, and maybe we can do some partnership. You know, I will help you, you're gonna help me. Leave your comment below or send me a message on Instagram. I really want to wrap the truck. The color, it's something that I have in mind, but I don't want to say anything yet. So again guys, this is a list, the things I want to do this year. So if I don't put it in here, I don't have anything to look at it and say, oh, this is my goal. I want to work for it, you know what I'm saying? And the last thing, it's more videos. The main reason why I make videos is just to help you guys and to motivate you. I want to show you that you can do a lot of stuff by yourself. You are capable with YouTube and internet, you can do a lot, right? And you see that box here? I'll put it closer. A new car or truck, all right? Why a new car or truck? You guys heard me probably mentioned here and there. I'm working on something. So if you are here for the Colorado, but you don't have one, make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned because we're gonna add another thing to the channel. I know it sounds a lot when you combine everything here, but trust me, I'm working really hard to get all this stuff done. And I'm looking forward to do and showing you guys the journey and show you guys the details of it. It's gonna be awesome. Also, I put it here, extras. Because as you guys know, if you didn't watch the video that I'm showing in my garage, make sure to watch. I'm gonna link here, somewhere here. I don't know where it's gonna be, but make sure to watch it because you're gonna see how was my garage when I got the house. It's not any different. I will show you guys here. We don't have the shelves anymore. The truck can fit. The truck didn't fit before. But anyway, I will change the garage and I want to do more videos on it. Let me know what you guys think if you want to see the garage update. But it's like, you know, putting the walls, make it looking nice. And I have a challenge, as you guys can see. Once I lift the truck, I'm gonna try to make this truck fit. I don't know how, but we're gonna do it. Those are my plans for 2019. I hope you guys enjoy. As I said, try to make the same for you and for your life. I think that helps everyone and it's gonna help me. I wanna use this video so we can go back in December 2019 and see how much we got done. You know, my hope is we can get way more done than just that list. If we can get just that list done, it's gonna be an accomplishment. All right, so stay tuned. As always guys, thanks so much for watching. Again, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. If you're here for the first time, subscribe. I'm gonna do with the lift kit the same thing I did with the grill. We're gonna buy together, we're gonna install together, we're gonna do everything together. So once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna buy the lift kit. Give me a thumbs up. So again, if you're not, follow me Instagram, and I will see you guys next video. And as always, don't forget, enjoy your life.